Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel on YouTube. I'm here today with an exciting video whose title is Developing Study Habits. So let's start our topic. Developing strong study habit is essential for academic success. Here are 10 tips to help you build a strong study habits. Number 1. Set specific and achievable goals. Set realistic goals for each study session, such as finishing a chapter or solving a set of problems. This will help you to stay focused and motivated. Number 2. Create a study schedule. Set aside a specific time each day for studying and create a schedule that allows you to balance your academic responsibilities with other activities. Number 3. Find a quiet, comfortable study space. Choose a place that is free from distraction and comfortable enough for you to study for a long period of time. Number 4. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks can help you to avoid burnout and stay focused. Try the Pomodoro technique, which involves studying for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeating the cycle. Number 5. Stay organized. Keep track of your assignments and deadlines and make sure to prioritize your work accordingly. Number 6. Use active learning techniques. Rather than simply reading your notes or textbook, try to actively engage with the material by taking notes, asking questions, and creating flashcards. Number 7. Practice time management. Make the most of your study time by setting priorities and using your time effectively. Number 8. Seek help when needed. Don't be hesitant to reach out to your teachers or tutors for help if you are struggling with a particular subject or concept. Number 9. Stay motivated. Remember why you are studying and the benefit of achieving your academic goals. Tip number 10. Get enough rest and exercise. Taking care of your physical health can help you to stay mentally alert and focused during your study session. By incorporating these tips into your study routine, you can develop a strong study habits that will help you achieving academic success. Hope you enjoyed it and develop these habits into your daily routine. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more exciting videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.